Everyone wants to get from A to B. But what if I told you that A to B is never a straight line? Think you've got the road to success all mapped out? Buckle up, because your GPS might be lying to you. Hey, good to have you back on Brain Sketch. This is where your journey to the best version of yourself really kicks off. You've heard the checklist. Study, work hard, tick the box, boom, success. But real life throws roundabouts, potholes, even dead ends your way. Plan, execute, win. Visual for office cubicles, B-roll. Visual for simple diagram of a squiggly line trending upward. He started as a cleaner, wiping tables. Then he worked as a delivery guy, riding his bike in the sun and rain. Later, he became a waiter, learning how to deal with customers. Then, a kitchen assistant, learning how to cook. And finally, he opened his own restaurant. Detours build muscle, mental muscle. Scenario A. You become a corporate janitor who accidentally overhears the CEO's secret pitch and pitches in to land a corner office. Map your detours. List all minor gigs or side projects you could learn from.
If you made it this far, it means you're not ordinary, and it means there's a real fire inside you.
A fire that pushes you to be stronger, smarter, and closer every day to the version you dream of.
The world isn't always fair, but you can be the justice for yourself and rise every time you fall.
Every time you keep going instead of giving up, you're building a strength no one can take from you.
The journey isn't easy, but you'll never regret chasing the best version of yourself.